Hello everybody, my name is Jessica and welcome to my presentation as we go over the different VSPER models of the valence electron setups. And we will start directly into it, going into the first one, which is, so this, unfortunately, I couldn't do the balloons as a presentation. My daughter, who has autism, was struggling really bad with the balloons that she really wanted. So I had to hurry up and take pictures of them and post them onto my PowerPoint so that way you could see that I did try and I did get it, but she wouldn't let me. So now starting with the linear balloons, if you can see them on the right, they have a linear shape, so that means they have a flat line, 180-degree bond angle. So if you were to take a line and connect the two balloons, you would have exactly 180 degrees. Now, for the balloons, as you can see, there's only two, so it has two areas of electron density. Now, going into the second one, we have the trigonal planar. I really hope I pronounced that right. Now, if you look to the right, you'll see that there's three, and it kind of has a pyramid shape. It has a bond angles of 120 degrees, and then it has three areas of electron density, as you can tell by each balloon. Now, this one, with the setup, you can actually set it up to where the balloon is somewhat on top and the two are on the bottom. So let's say you were just to flip this up, like you were wanting to look at it. You would see the top atom on the top and then the two off to the side at the 120-degree bond angles. Now, going into the next one, we have tetrahedral. I apologize for that really bad picture. Like I said, I was kind of in the middle of getting my daughter to calm down. These ones, the four, have a bond angle of 109.5 degrees. So each bond that's connected to each atom is at a 109.5 degree angle. Now this one, because of the four atoms, it has four areas of electron density, and as you can see from the picture, it shows the four, but technically if you look at the purple one, if it's facing up, would make a better idea of what it generally looks like in a 3D model. So put the balloon up on top, sitting up, and then you'll get the three at the bottom with the 109.5 degree angles. Now, going on to the next one, we have the trigonal planar. So that has five areas of electron density, as you can see by the picture with the different color balloons. The five areas of electron density, they actually have three different bond angles. They have two 90-degree bond angles and then one 120-degree bond angle. So it's a little bit different. It's a little bit more packed and kind of more of a 3D shape kind of figure if you look to the right with the balloon. And then we actually have the last one, the octahedral. So this one has six areas of electron density, and all of the bond angles, all of the electron bonds that happen and share between atoms is at a 90-degree angle. Now, looking at all of these, you can kind of get an idea of what their molecular geometry kind of looks like, how they're kind of set up, so you can kind of get an idea for their Lewis structure and all of that, and that is what this VSPER model kind of helps with. That is it for my presentation today. I hope you guys enjoyed it and you have a great night.